Hello, welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be discussing on burping in a nutshell, how to do it, and what if do you need it. So let's begin. First, you just inhale air very quickly, and then you burp. Easy as that. Now you need to burp to get rid of a lot of air, because no one cares. So let's burp. And oh my god. That's why you need to burp in a nutshell. First of all, let me demonstrate. Once you master this technique, you'll be able to burp like me, around 500 times in a row. So let's begin at 50. There should be around 50. If you couldn't hear some, get a better speaker. So that's all for today.
Goodbye.